Namaskar. In today's lesson, we will discuss two sets of conjunct letters, joint consonants, namely set 28 and set 29. In set 28, we will learn the conjuncts ta, ra, ya, gha, ra, ya, kha, ra, ya, dha, ra, va, da, ra, ra. In set 29, we will learn kha, ra, ka, kha, ra, pa and kha, ra, ta. Set 28. Ra, ta, ya, sanyukta. To write this conjunct ra, ta, ya, first write the letter ta as learnt earlier, but do not draw its vertical line. Instead, write ya immediately after it. We have already learned the letter ya. Then slightly above the formed shape, draw a small mark and extend a line slightly towards the left, forming a semicircular shape. We call it rave and join it to the vertical line in front of ya. In this way, the conjunct ta, ra, ya is formed. For example, martya means mortal. Manushya ekta martya prani hoye. Now ra, gha, ya. To write this, first write gha without drawing its front vertical line, then add ya next to it. After forming the shape, draw a small mark slightly above and extend the line to the left in a semicircular, that is rave, form, joining it to the vertical line of ya. This completes the conjunct gha, ra, ya. For example, arghya means sacred offering. प्रातः काल सूर्य के अर्घ देव एकटा नीक धार्मिक आचरण मानल जाइए. Ra, kha, ya. As I told you earlier that in Maithili we pronounce it as kha, but sometimes when it comes in between we call it sha. To write this, first write kha without drawing its front vertical line, then write ya next to it. After forming the shape, draw a small mark slightly above and extend a semicircular rave towards the left, joining it to the vertical line of ya. In this way, this conjunct is formed. For example, irkha means jealousy. दोसर सँ ईर्ष्या करबा सँ अपनहि हानि होयत. ra, dha, va sanyukta. To write this, first write dha as learned earlier, then at the lower junction point where the lowest line and the curved portion of dha meet, attach va. This form dhwa, which we have learnt before. Now above this shape, draw a small mark slightly towards the left and form a semicircular rave, joining it to the vertical line. Thus, this conjunct is formed. For example, urdhva means upward. आत्मा की यात्रा ऊर्ध्व दिशा में मानल जाइए. Ra, da, ra. To write this, first write da as learnt earlier. Then at the lower junction point of its lowest line and curved shape, draw a small slanting line towards the left to form dra, which we have already learnt. Above this, draw a small mark slightly to the left and form a semicircular rave, joining it appropriately. Thus, this conjunct is formed. For example, ardra means moisture. Sundarvan ardra kshetra age. Set 29. In this set, we will learn to write kha, ka, ra. To write this conjunct, first write kha as learnt earlier without drawing its front vertical line, then attach ka next to it. From the point of the vertical line of ka, where the curved portion appears, draw a slanting line downward towards the left. This completes this conjunct. For example, निष्कर्ष means conclusion. आइ हम सब अभ्यासक निष्कर्ष पर पहुँच गेलहुँ. ख प र संयुक्त. To write this, first write kha or sha. In Maithili, we pronounce it both. Without drawing its front vertical line, then attach pa next to it. From the point where the curved portion meets the vertical line of pa, draw a slanting line downward towards the left. Thus, this conjunct is formed. For example, दुष्प्रभाव means bad effect. मोबाइल फोनक अत्यधिक उपयोगक दुष्प्रभाव सभक आँखि पर पड़ैया. ख ट र संयुक्त. To write this, first write sha or kha without drawing its front vertical line and attach ta next to it. From the lower portion of this shape, draw one slanting line downward towards the left and another line downwards towards the right. In this way, this conjunct is formed. For example, राष्ट्र meaning country. विश्व में भारत एकटा महान राष्ट्र के रूप में प्रतिष्ठित अछि. With this, we have completed set 28 and set 29 of conjunct letters in a clear and systematic way. Regular practice of these conjuncts will make your reading and writing more fluent and confident. Conjunct letters set 30 and set 31. These combinations are important for developing fluency in reading and writing. Careful understanding of each formation step will make your script clearer and more accurate. Conjunctions set 30 and 31. In this chapter, we will study two groups of conjunct letters. Set 30 includes na dara, na dhara, na tra, sa tra. Set 31 includes ma pra, ma bhra and ma dra. Na da ra sanyukta. To write this, first write the letter na without drawing its front vertical line. Then write da next to it. From the point where the circular part and the downward stroke of da meet, draw a slightly slanting line towards the left and downward. This completes this conjunct. For example, Indra means king of gods. We call it Indra. मिथिला में धूमधाम सँ इंद्र पूजा होइए. न ध र संयुक्त. To write this conjunct, first write na without its front vertical line, then write dha beside it. From the point where the circular portion and vertical stroke of dha meet, draw a slanting line slightly to the left and downward. This conjunct is ready. Randhra means hole. गाछक पात रंध्र सँ श्वसन करैए. न त र संयुक्त. To form na tra, first write na without its front vertical line, then draw a straight vertical line slightly apart. From the middle of this line, draw a short stroke to the left and slightly upward. From the same point, draw another short stroke to the left and slightly downward. This forms the conjunct na tra. Mantra meaning chanting. मंत्रक उच्चारण पर ध्यान देब आवश्यक. स त र संयुक्त. To write this, first write sa without its front vertical line, then draw a straight vertical line slightly apart. From the middle of this line, draw a short stroke to the left and slightly upward, and another short stroke to the left and slightly downward. The conjunct sa tra is thus formed. Stri means wife. हुनक स्त्री बड़ पढ़ल लिखल छथिन. Set 31. म प र संयुक्त. To write ma pra, first write ma without its front vertical line, then write pa beside it. From the point where the circular part and the vertical stroke of paw meet, draw a slightly slanting line to the left and downward. This forms the conjunct mapra. Sampradaya means community. लिंगायत संप्रदाय शैव भक्तिक एकटा प्रमुख उदाहरण अछि. म भ र संयुक्त. To write ma bhra, first write ma without its front vertical line, then write bha next to it. From the point where the left horizontal stroke meets the main structure of bha, draw a slanting line slightly to the left and downward. This completes the conjunct ma bhra. Sambhrant means aristocratic. राय बहादुर समाजक संभ्रांत व्यक्ति छलाह. ड़ ड र संयुक्त. To form this conjunct, first write ड़ without its front vertical line, then write ड beside it. From the lower part of ड, draw two slanting lines downward in opposite directions from the same point. The resulting shape is this conjunct. Mandr means rare. मंड्र means rare. टोडा जनजाति मंड्र रूप से नीलगिरी पहाड़ी क्षेत्र में पाओल जाइए. With the completion of sets 30 and 31, we have learned several important conjunct formations. Practice each letter carefully to achieve clarity and uniformity in writing. Consistent practice will help you gain confidence and mastery over complex conjunct letters. Thank you.